Welcome back. So far, we've walked through the tech, but what really matters is what happens in the field. Today, I want to share real customer stories and how Live's tools are helping teams like yours. From global pharma giants to local CDMOs, from sterile injectables to biotech freeze drying, our systems are used all over the world to validate, monitor, and simplify thermal processes. Let's start with a customer in Germany, needed to perform the initial qualification of 2 newly installed freeze dryers, 17 shelves each in 48 hours of time, on the watch. We have sent 1 engineer with a combination of 75 real-time and 50 standard loggers to simultaneously perform the shelves mapping and the SIP. The result? We have managed to qualify both freeze dryers in 48 hours, reducing qualification time by 60% versus using thermocouple systems. We have avoided also 1 failed run thanks to real-time insight from the real-time data loggers. In Romania, a customer had trouble with a notoriously noisy autoclave. They couldn't get stable readings from traditional systems. They've switched to Explog real-time wireless, and within 1 day, they had clear real-time data with no dropouts, even through thick stainless steel walls. 1 major vaccine manufacturer in France needed to map sterilization tunnels in a very short time interval. Using our GMP RF-HT high-temperature real-time data loggers, they completed the entire qualification in 2 days only, with fully traceable and no human error. A very large US-based biotech had a big problem. After their warehouse was teared down by a huge tornado, they needed to validate temporary warehouse in a very short time interval. Using thermocouples or standard data loggers would have meant huge time waste. After using simultaneously more than 250 Explog real-time data loggers, they cut their validation time by over 80%. That's not efficiency, that's return on investment. Every success story has the same pattern: right sensors, reliable data, seamless software, and a team that actually enjoys using the equipment. These stories are not just about technology, they are about confidence. When your data is solid, your setup is smooth, and your teams trust the process, you win. Every time. Here's how we help customers get there. Pre-configured kits tailored to their equipment, on-site or remote training, cloud access for distributed teams, fast response time from our support engineers, and a system that just works every time. And we're not just delivering boxes, we are building long-term partnership. Some of our customers have been with us for more than 20 years because we evolved with them. Whether you're mapping a single freezer or standardizing a global validation fleet, we've been there. We understand the pressure. We know what's at stake. And that's exactly why we design systems you can count on. Want to experience a fast return on investment and huge time savings? Let us connect with you and set up a pilot project. No pressure, just proof. And that wraps up episode 8. From GMP compliant warehouse in Europe to vaccine plants in Asia, biotech clean rooms in the US. Live's international systems are working right now to validate and protect pharmaceutical processes. In the final episode of the series, we'll show you what's next. AI-powered validation assistant, smart diagnostic, and what we've built and we are building for our future. Until then, stay inspired, stay curious, and remember, validation is about more than compliance. It's about confidence. Sayonara and goodbye.